Hello, fitness enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of fitness excellence with the top 5 rowing machines of 2024. Rowing is an incredible full-body workout, and these machines promise to elevate your fitness journey to new heights. We'll explore the ergonomic designs, resistance systems, and interactive features that set these rowing machines apart. From compact home setups to gym-grade powerhouses, we've curated the best options for all fitness levels and spaces. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell for more fitness equipment reviews. Find direct links to these incredible rowing machines in the description below. Let's row our way to peak fitness together. Starting at number 5, Sanic Oak Horizontal Rowing Machine. The Sanic Oak Horizontal Rowing Machine is a fusion of craftsmanship and fitness innovation, designed to elevate your home workout experience. Crafted with a keen focus on functionality and aesthetics, this rowing machine boasts a polycarbonate water tank with an impressive 18 liters capacity. The tank not only delivers a realistic rowing experience with its surging power, but also ensures durability and resistance to corrosion, maintaining clear water quality over time. What makes this rowing machine stand out is its wooden structure, specifically designed to mimic the natural movement of the human body during exercise. The combination of rubber wood and ABS material guarantees a workout that's gentle on joints and muscles, minimizing the risk of injury while offering a full-body exercise routine. This rowing machine doesn't limit itself to rowing exercises alone. It's versatile enough for yoga, Pilates, and various fitness routines. With its Bluetooth connectivity and multifunctional data display, showing time, distance, calories, and pulse, it provides users with comprehensive workout metrics, enhancing their exercise sessions. The compact yet sturdy design, weighing 30 kilograms and supporting up to 170 kilograms, ensures stability during intense workouts while remaining easily maneuverable for storage. Overall, the Sanic Oak Horizontal Rowing Machine is an excellent choice for fitness enthusiasts seeking a versatile, durable, and aesthetically pleasing workout companion for their home or office. At number 4, XWIN Multifunctional Rowing Machine. The XWIN Multifunctional Rowing Machine is a blend of innovation and practicality, offering a silent, space-efficient, and versatile workout solution for fitness enthusiasts. Designed with reluctant silence and magnetic resistance, this rowing machine ensures a smooth and quiet operation, ideal for home use without disturbing others. The incorporation of an alloy double track enhances stability and durability, providing users with a reliable workout platform. One of its notable features is its space-saving design. The XWIN rower can be effortlessly stored due to its compact nature, occupying minimal space, merely 0.2 square meters. This makes it an excellent choice for those with limited workout spaces. The machine's display panel showcases crucial workout data, including time, distance, calories, pulse, stroke, and total stroke, offering users insights into their exercise performance and progress. Furthermore, the stainless steel body with strong bearing capacity ensures durability and stability during workouts. For added safety, the knob pull-pin lock mechanism provides a secure and convenient way to lock the rower, preventing any accidental movements or mishaps during use. With its multifunctional capabilities and sturdy build, the XWIN Multifunctional Rowing Machine caters to a diverse range of users seeking a reliable, space-saving, and effective workout equipment for their home gym. At number 3, YOSUDA 100R Rowing Machine. The YOSUDA 100R rowing machine is a fitness powerhouse designed for a comprehensive workout experience, offering convenience, accuracy, and versatility. This rowing machine boasts 16 levels of resistance, catering to users of varying fitness levels, whether they're beginners or seasoned athletes. The incorporation of high-quality neodymium magnets and a 12-volts flywheel ensures smooth, yet challenging resistance, enabling users to tailor their workouts precisely. One standout feature is the accurate exercise data tracking. The adjustable monitor displays crucial workout metrics like rowing time, strokes per minute, SPM, stroke count, total count, and calories burned, Its thoughtful design allows users to adjust the monitor for optimal viewing while incorporating a tablet holder for added convenience. Efficiency and effectiveness define the YOSUDA 100R. With the ability to engage 90% of the body's muscle groups per row, it offers a full-body workout, making it an excellent choice for various fitness goals, including weight loss, strength training, and physical therapy. Additionally, the robust construction of the main frame, made from extra-thick commercial steel pipe and heavy-duty stabilizers, provides exceptional stability and a weight capacity of up to 350 lbs. Prospective buyers should consider their fitness goals and preferences regarding resistance levels and the overall design for an informed purchase decision. At number 2, Kingsmith WR1 Foldable Water Rowing Machine. The Kingsmith WR1 Foldable Water Rowing Machine revolutionizes home fitness with its patented three-fold technology, delivering an exceptional rowing experience without compromising on space or portability. This rower stands out for its innovative three-fold design, which addresses the bulkiness typically associated with rowing machines. Its compact size, equivalent to an average 26-inch suitcase, ensures easy storage and hassle-free transportation. This feature makes it an excellent choice for those with limited space or seeking a portable fitness solution. Equipped with a digital display, this rower provides real-time metrics like time, speed, paddle quantity, frequency, distance, and calories burned, offering users comprehensive insights into their workouts. The compatibility with the KS Fit app further enhances the experience, enabling users to track progress and engage in diverse fitness programs. Beyond its space-saving design, the WR1 provides a full-body workout that engages both upper and lower body muscles, promoting strength and endurance development. Its low-impact nature is especially beneficial for individuals with joint issues, ensuring a comfortable yet effective workout. Prospective buyers should note that while the foldable design is a standout feature, they should consider the overall functionality and durability in their decision-making process. At number 1, YOSUDA Water Rowing Machine. The YOSUDA Water Rowing Machine offers an immersive and engaging exercise experience for fitness enthusiasts seeking a full-body workout. With its comprehensive features, this rower ensures an effective and versatile workout regimen. Featuring a full-body muscle workout, this rowing machine engages 90% of your muscle groups, offering a smooth, high-calorie burning motion. It's ideal for various fitness goals, including rehabilitative treatment, weight loss, body shaping, and strength training. Additionally, its space-saving design allows easy movement and storage, making it suitable for home gyms or limited spaces. The rowing dedicated monitor tracks essential metrics like calories, time, strokes per minute, SPM, speed, distance, and strokes, providing comprehensive feedback on your workout progress. Connecting to fitness apps like FitLog and KineMap broadens the experience, enabling access to live classes and virtual personal trainers. Moreover, the incorporation of water churning inside the tank creates an immersive auditory experience, mimicking the actual sound of rowing in water, enhancing the realism of your workout. While this rowing machine excels in providing an engaging full-body workout and immersive experience, potential buyers should consider the overall space it occupies and maintenance aspects related to the water tank.